Web scraping is the process of extracting information and data from websites using automated scripts or programs. It involves fetching the web page's HTML content, parsing it, and extracting the desired information for further use or analysis. Python is a popular programming language for web scraping due to its simplicity, rich libraries, and ease of use. Here's an overview of the steps involved in web scraping using Python. Sending HTTP requests. Use the Python requests library to send an HTTP GET request to the URL of the web page you want to scrape. This fetches the HTML content of the page. Parsing HTML. Once you have the HTML content, you can use a parsing library like Beautiful Soup or LXML to parse and navigate through the HTML structure. These libraries allow you to search for specific HTML tags, classes, or attributes. Extracting data. With the parsed HTML, you can extract the desired data by targeting specific HTML elements, such as headings, paragraphs, tables, etc., using selectors provided by the parsing library. These selectors help you locate the relevant parts of the HTML document. Data processing. After extracting the data, you might need to clean, transform, or format it according to your requirements. This could involve removing unnecessary whitespace, converting data types, or organizing the extracted data into a structured format. Storing or using data. Once you've processed the data, you can store it in a file, such as a CSV, JSON, or database, for later analysis or use it directly in your applications. Web scraping can be used for various purposes, including data collection, gathering information for research, analysis, or creating datasets. Content aggregation. Collecting news articles, blog posts, product listings, and other content from various sources. Market research. Gathering pricing information, reviews, and product details from e-commerce websites. Monitoring and tracking. Tracking changes on websites, such as stock prices, weather updates, or social media posts. Data integration. Integrating data from different websites into a unified application or service. Automated testing. Automating the testing of websites by simulating user interactions. While web scraping can provide valuable data and insights, it's important to be mindful of ethical considerations and legal constraints. Always review a website's terms of use and respect its robots.txt file, which can specify which parts of a site are open to scraping. Additionally, avoid overloading a website's server with excessive requests, as this can impact its performance.